and in order to have the trust, you have to have the fairness, which means you can accept a certain amount of risk. All relationships hold some risk in a way, which is why you want privacy for some and not for others. Public declarations are, in a way, kind of acknowledging the risk, but also saying you're willing to take the risk. And in social systems like work relationships or environmental relationships, that's all there. And we have this kind of unfamiliar ground with the rapid changes of how do you codify our relationships? How do you make them laws or something that gives you all the fairness and acknowledgments of these relationships in a way that's acceptable to all parties? Mm-hmm. So when you codify, you're clarifying the relationships. So they're all the same, you know. You can't. Well, you can, but I mean, it's part of this evolution to accept all the details and the general issues of risk and maturation in an evolutionary scale that continually adapts. So I see it all as one big ball of many threads in a big ball of twine.
Mm-hmm. Well, you just mentioned a word that I think is really critical and a big part, I'm sure, of what you're working on, Dorothy, which is time. Mm. Because, as you pointed out, the time that we all spend with social media that's professionally related can significantly add up. Mm. And the people who devote large amounts of